to a height of about 25 meters. Realizing the potential significance of his find, Aratake alerted marine scientists, including Professor Masaki Kimura of
Magandang araw, si Chef Family. Welcome to Sunday Fast Track, where you are.
Si Josiah. Tingnan ho natin to. Si Josiah ay 8 taong gulang nang siya'y naging hari. 8 taon? Naiintindihan mo ba yan? Totoo ba yan? Mamaya pa.
ancient techniques' effectiveness. This resilience speaks volumes about the ancient architect's skill and foresight. Moreover, another peculiar feature observed on some of
Ayaw niyang, pagsamantalahan ng mga Diyos-Diyosan. Okay? Now, tingnan niyo pa. Sabi niya, visiting the iniquity of the fathers on the children on the 3rd and the 4th generation.
Sa ngayon, IGAN ay patuloy na nagsasagawa ng efforts ang Naga City, LGU at maging ang Camarines Sur PDRMC para nga maalalayan.
peculiar shape and the legend surrounding it. According to local folklore, an Oni, which is a giant demon, used this stone to wash its face each morning.
EJ? Maris, nandito pa rin nga tayo sa Araneta Avenue sa Quezon City. Kita natin na kasabay ng paghu
Joey Canlas, happy birthday!
Oy, happy birthday.
Mga kasama nila dati.
Thank you, guys.
The most famous UFO encounter in Japanese history happened 220 years ago during feudal times. In 1803, during the late
sa Region 5 as the water subside and as they can withdraw the goods. Classic example sa Albay, nung
Oo nga, at may
Sasagutin muna natin. Hello
Yan,
po.
sige. Thank you so much, Jessica. Kaya kayo mga kapuso, kung meron kayong mga nais na ipaabot sa amin na impormasyon, yung mga tulong na gusto nyo sana maipadala namin sa inyo o doon sa mga kinaukulan, pwede po
たちハウンドは定期巡回をしていただけなんです。客室の設備は全て正常ですので、安心してお過ごしください。
でも犯人が
なんだから。
そんなに構えなくてもいい。今回受け取ったのはピノコニーの折り紙大学という教育機関からの一般的な招待状だ。
Soonest, I think it will be a go kung wala namang magiging problema because we have existing ASEAN partnership agreements.
I think if I can read it.
This theory is spurred by the sophistication of the tomb's design and the advanced masonry skills required to construct them, which some argue may surpass the capability.
To their idolatry, sinunog nila. At ganun din sa atin, sabi ng Lord, yung idols in the heart, if your hand causes you to sin, cut it off. When your eyes causes you to sin, pluck it out.
Ako sinubukan din namin ng butiki.
Inihaw ang butiki.
Parang ginisa pa. Basta
sa tubig, tapos gagawin mo parang tsaa.
Totoo bang gamot sa hika, butiki?
The interior of this man-made cave is remarkable, with a perfectly flat floor, precise 90-degree angled cuts in various parts, and once again, claim that the structure identified on Mars probably went through millions of years of erosion, but it's clearly visible. Shape is a definitive telltale sign of the possibility of
Una yung Africa, dahil nandun yung pinakamalakas ng tama, almost tens of thousands of cases, I think 17,000 yung na-report na yun. So doon natin unang pinapadala internationally yung mga bakuna. Pero
stone is relatively flat and large, suitable for the mythical purposes it is said to have served. The stone is also thought to have been part of ancient rituals or practices.
Ito kasi kaya kung pwede ko the platform sa participatory action. Participatory action to anticipate what nung antayin mangyari. So we want to make sure na bukod sa mga nagunan, provincial, rehabilitate yung kanilang mga tahanan at ari-arian na maaring napinsala. But right now, our mindset is still in the rescue and the relief operation, pero nasa menu namin yung financial assistance for early.
Hawak-hawak ng mga idolo. I'm telling you, you come to God today and He will help you to let it go. Maaring hindi ngayon, maaring ilang taon, pero isang bagay totoo. He will give you the power.
Pag-monitor ng mga tauhan ng MMDA para abisuhan yung ating mga motorista kaugnay sa mga kalsadang pwede nilang madaanan. At yung natitirang makitid na daan sa pinakagilid na dadaanan
megastructures all across the world. We already mentioned the gigantic stone block found in China at the Yangshan Quarry, which also bears gigantic knobs.
At saka may mga bagong konsepto like anticipatory needs. Sinalagay na rin natin yan sa ating menu of platforms para
may sunog at hindi ma-set up ang soup kitchen or walang kuryente, hindi makaluto, then we have to give our ready-to-eat food box. Or sa pier, for instance, imposible.
なんと響きのいい名前だ。どうも、バットに。
Ano ba itong Mpox at saan ito nakukuha, Doc?
Itong Mpox ay isang sakit na nakikita karaniwan sa balat natin. Ang mga simptomas ay mga butlig. Nagsisimula yan sa mga bilog.
Umaga din po sa inyo, pati na rin po sa ating mga taga-subaybay.
Masasabi bang record-breaking yung binuhos na ulan ni Christine?
Opo, itong mga ulan nga po na naibuhos ni Christine ay
Household Agency. The limited knowledge available only heightens the sense of fascination surrounding these keyhole tombs, leaving us yearning to uncover what's hidden inside them.
No 陰に覆われた町、罪にまみれた土地、やがて苦難と憎悪を育み、同時に悲しみまでも育み、すべての
Do not see all this evil that I will bring on this place and on its inhabitant. Dahil mahal kita, nagpakumbaba ka, hindi mo makikita ito sa panahon mo. Kukunin kita. Kaya some people are
Characterized by a series of ancient niches and small caves carved into a 250-meter-long rock formation. These caves are numbering 48 in total.
na yung lugar, hindi naman po maabot ng ating mga line personnel dahil po sa tindi ng pagbaha. At kinailangan pa pong magsakay ng bangka yung ating po.
Ng ulana. Magdamag na pabugsong-bugsong hangin ang naranasan sa Isabela. Sa lakas ng hangin, halos mabali ang mga sanga ng punong kahoy.
na lang yung huli. Dahil sa loob ng 7 buwan, yung pagpapakita na lang ni Kibuloy ang hinintay namin eh.
So huli na pala yan?
Hearing kahapon. Yes, Igan. Huli na po yan at amin ang in-adjourn.
Sama ng loob, away, inggit, outburst of anger, bigla kang nagsisigaw dyan, nagwawala, disputes, mahilig kang makipagtalo, dissension, mahilig kang mag-create ng division, yan ang mga
Pasa muna natin
Balat
yun.
sa balat na eh.
Oo, balat sa balat. So wala naman problema yung mga bati na sa puso muna, ganyan, or kaway muna. Isa pang paraan na Maris, pagka buwabate, so pag nag-shake hands ka na,
to the Chinese emperor. It's theorized that tectonic movements in the region may have led to Yamatai being engulfed by the sea. Despite
Diba? Yung iba kakanta pa rin. Papakita lang sa TikTok para maraming views. Guys, ang dami nating hinahabol. Iba naman, pleasure. Hinahabol nila yung pleasure. They want to have some... Hindi ang listahan ng sarili, pero lahat ng bagay na pang sarili. Sabi, of which I forewarned you, just I have forewarned you, that those who practice such thing will not inherit gracious. Pag humingi tayo ng tawad at nagsisi talaga tayo, talagang siya naman ay willing magpatawad at bigyan tayo ng panibagong simulain. Naunawaan. Kaya,
has been arranging a series, hindi lang for this storm, has been arranging a series of rice donations that started even last year. It wasn't really earmarked for this storm, pero ang nakalagay doon province and the LGUs, yung mga evacuation centers. Alam natin limited yung pumunta sa evacuation center kasi napakalawak na nung sakuna and marami nga na-track na sa kanilang mga tahanan. So despite
thank you. Kinukongratulate nila kami. Samantalang kayo naman lahat ang gumawa nito. Di ba? Kasi mula pa sa simula ng pag-aaral niya, kayo nag-provide.
add to the mystery and the legend.
So we're just here at another stone called the Devil's Toilet. And it's hard to get back far enough to see it clearly. It's got these geometric...
Paninindigan, matatag, maaasahan. Easy Double B, Super Radio 594, Kapusong Pilipino, lahat Super Radio. Easy Double B.
dito sa PPA, no? Pero ang tinutumbok po kasi ng bagyo papunta na sa norte. Meron po bang mga ibang areas na posibleng payagan ng makabiyahe ngayong araw na to dahil kung hindi naman doon
Such achievements are truly monumental. The strangest anomaly of the site is the various vertical incisions, which are perfectly parallel to one another.
I love new guys.
Mama って何を言ってるの？
わかった。ファミリーの艦隊に感謝する。とりあえず、俺たち3人のチェック。
The precise vertical cuts found at all of these sites closely resemble those produced in modern mines using advanced drilling machinery.